Okay, so let's talk about page editing. We haven't actually added a header to this project's page, but we've got some other stuff. So let's go ahead and just jump into this, and it'll be glorious. Here we are. We're in the editing section, so we'll go to the projects, and this is just a simple page where there's nothing programmatic here. It's just like images, which is fine. That's not a problem at all. We're just gonna change this text to something glorious. Here's just a small sampling of, well, we're talking about sites, so we'll just even steal there of the what are we gonna do? Clean, functional, beautiful sites we've built over the years. Well, we've built, and then I'll promise us something good. We're getting better. We're good now, but we're getting better and better, and the best is yet to come. Oh, it's so impactful. So save. All right, now let's replace this image. Double click this image, or I think there's a little, yeah, or you can right click it. And then here we have an image editor box. And we don't really want to, actually, yeah, we do want to add a caption. So we'll leave the caption below right there. And then let's get rid of this image. Let's add one. Where shall we add it? I'm going to go off to the side of the screen and grab an image from Dropbox. Where you is? I'll pull this over so you can see. Dropbox. Development. Okay, here we go. Pancake. Marketing. Okay, I use these images for Craigslist primarily. Let's see if we have some better ones. They're pretty big. These will be fine. Let's start with, let's do Rihanna Jacobs. We'll launch that one. Okay, so I'm going to upload it. And pull that back over. So here's a Brianna Jacobs image. We don't want to put it in a lightbox. We don't want to stretch it. We don't want to add a click-through URL, do we? I don't know. Probably not. I don't want that. That's weird. Brianna, what do they call that? Brianna Jacobs. It's a fashion design site. Fashion design dot png or something. Alright. That'll be good. I hope that's sharp enough. It looks a little bit fuzzy. Okay, so then that's done. So then we put a little, we add this in. Brianna Jacobs. Ooh. So this is simply what you see is what you get editor. It's so simple to use. Brianna Jacobs. And then we'll put in, because we're not talking about locations, we'll put in briannajacobs.com so that people who want to go there, maybe they can go there. Okay. So we could even add a little link. Actually, that'd be pretty fantastic. HTTP briannajacobs.com, which is really easy for us to type. Let's open it in a new window because we don't want people leaving the site necessarily. And lo and behold, we have this. Now we're not going to put a description in. I think on actual Pancake, my portfolio, I actually do have creative.com. Load it up right now. Let's go to the projects. Oh, it's so speedy. So speedy. Alright, let's see. Brianna Jacobs. Here's some text built in partnership with 80/20 Web. Let's copy that. We'll add to it later. That needs to be edited. Okay. I designed and developed this website using Canvas, Boot Themes, and the Royal Slider plugin. I designed and built this fashion website, whatever. So you get the idea. When we're building client sites, we don't need to do that. So this is just for me, for my specific site. Okay. Good. I'm not a beatboxer, so I'm not going to try and... Now, one of my pet peeves is images that don't have a click-through, so I'm actually going to add this. Because when there's a big image, I just want to be able to click through it. Like, I just really want to be able to do something with that image. Just if it's just sitting there, save it. It's not any good to me. All right, bam. Here's a small sampling. The clean, functional, beautiful sites we've built. That's too much, and the best is yet to come. So we can go here, open a new window, and voila, to briannajacobs.com. And there's the full site, and then we can click through, and voila, again. Oh, it's so beautiful, it's so clean. So then I just had to do that 3 more times, and so yeah, this is editing pages is really just as simple as that, especially editing content. Um, to actually build out a page, let's see, we'll go over building out. Okay, yeah, editing maps is the same way. Hey, put in whatever stuff, just double click or right click it. Editing here, editing these things. Oh, that's helpful. Must be a text link. Uh, yeah, this is, it's that simple. Take action. So we can, we don't want that page, do we? Nope. What we do. So let's say I wanted to add something, add a specific section or something. I would just click one of these pluses where I want it to go, right? I figure out where I want it to go, and I go, okay, plus, let's put an image in, and then it would literally just insert an image, and then I can actually just drag it wherever I want it. So maybe I only want it on the side, or I want it to be only in this section area here. So I just drag it and change it to 3 columns, or I only want it inside, so I push it over, or I only want on this. Oops. I only want on this side, so I just push it right there, right? So, and the image is getting progressively smaller and smaller. There it is now again, or I can put it there. And so, really, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping. This is a fantastic editor to use. It's super simple, super easy. And then if you don't want it, right, you just trash it like I just did. So, yeah, it's super fantastic. And then once you're done, you hit save and you check on it. You say, what does it look like? Okay, cool. So there's that. And so it's really, really simple. Yeah, and that's pretty much all you need to know about editing pages. It's really very intuitive. I mean, everything's really obvious and accessible. You can add all kinds of stuff. You can add Twitter, you can add sound bites, and Instagram feeds, category lists, content links, all this stuff. Buttons. You can add a call to action button, and you can space your stuff out, and yeah, and you can add a map and a calendar, and then custom code, and it's just really pretty awesome. So yeah, it's really easy to use. Definitely give it a shot. Just get your feet wet, and just get get using it, and you'll find that you customize yourself to it really quickly. So okay, cool. That is all we need to know about that. And over and out.